Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing an updated version of my Veto MB bag for HVAC service calls. So yeah, let's get into the bag. As we turn the bag towards the right side, I have my HVAC 8-in-1. It pretty much does everything that you need to do. It also has the thermostat screwdriver as well, so that's neat. And I got my service wrench over here with the service key. I don't have any electrical tape, but I will put some electrical tape over here as well. As we flip the bag around, over here we got a measuring tape from Milwaukee. And right here I got a black Sharpie for like putting dates on the filters. And right down here, I got myself my little duck knife from DeWalt. Pretty neat. And right down here, I got nothing. I got nothing in there. And this pocket right here, I got myself a little box cutter from Milwaukee. Pretty neat. Got it for a special deal out of Home Depot. So that's pretty cool. And right down here, I got myself the Milwaukee wire strippers. Pretty cool. And further inside the bag, right down here, I got myself some copper cutters, or tubing cutter I usually call it, from Rigid. And that's pretty much it for the front of this pouch. It has 1, 2, and 3 pouches in this MB bag. And right up here, the screwdriver is pretty neat because I did this. It's basically an ultimate screwdriver now. So basically all these sockets from 1/2 inch all the way to 1/4, I use all of them. And I got a Phillips bit in all the way up front, and I got this inside. So basically this is the ultimate screwdriver that you could get out of Home Depot. So I will make a review on this, but I love this thing. I don't have to carry a lot of bits because this thing carries all of it. So yeah, that's one good thing out of it. And right up here on the pouch right back there, if you can see it, I got PVC cutters from Husky. And right back here, I got a flathead for like taking out breakers and taking out the breaker panel as well. So yeah, this comes in handy doing service calls. And the tip is magnetic, which is a good thing. And right down here, I got myself some channel locks from Knipex. And further down in here, I got myself an adjustable crescent wrench. And last but not least, I got myself my multimeter with its leads. pretty cool. So yeah, that's my updated version of my Vetotechpac MB for 2023 as a service tech. And yeah, pretty much I love this bag. I've been using it for like 5-6 months. Been using it. I love it. And yeah, I'm still updating it. I'm still playing around with some tools that I need here and there. I know I need another one of these, but for like TXVs and other stuff. But yeah, if you guys would please help me, let me know what kind of tools I need to have in this bag, just so I could be like easy to use and to not come back to the van like back and forth. That does get annoying, even if you're in a high top roof. Let me know and I will upgrade this bag again and show it to you guys on YouTube. And yeah. Anyways, if you guys liked the video today, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't so already. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a new video. And until next time, adios.